Hi, today on The Lazy Cook
and the Healthy Chef,
we are making my favorite recipe for Christmas morning, and that is Tracey's cheesy eggs.
and they are beautiful, they are fluffy, they are filled with egg and cheese goodness.
A lot of it.
I mean,
a lot of it, and vegetables.
Yeah. Also, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, The
Yes.
Lazy Cook and the Healthy Chef, can you go down below and hit that red subscribe button? It's right there in red. Boom, hit it, and then we're all one big happy family.
Exactly.
Right?
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you want me to show you an easy recipe that I've been doing for years? So I started on Young and Restless in 1983. So this is around 1984. I went to Beth Maitland's house. I was hired to play her best friend and then turned into her arch rival for any YNR watchers. And so her mom, Dottie, was in town and she made this. I mean, I'm classic for going everywhere. Who made the dip? Who made this? Because I always then wanted to make it because I always love to have people over for dinner and for events. But my big event every year is Christmas.
Yay!
And so Christmas Day, I used to cook for 60 people, and I would do this. I would do a whole breakfast, and then I would do a lunch on top of it.
Hello, you crazy chefs. Okay, first of all, thank you so much. This is very meaningful that you're including one of my mother's recipes in your show. That Tracey, you're still using one of her recipes. It's just very meaningful. Thank you, all the best, and happy holidays to all of you, and so much love. Thanks very much for including our Dottie in your holiday cooking.
So everything that I usually stand for and every way that I usually eat, this isn't it.
This is Christmas, so forget
Right.
about the health factor
Forget about
of the
diets, everything. Forget about everything. You're just, trust me, eat it. It'll be great. You can't believe the ingredients. You can't believe how easy it is.
Oh my gosh.
And you know, I use an immersion blender, but honestly, if you have a little hand mixer, that's fine too. So that would be like the only equipment, maybe. So you just want a baking dish. However you want to make it non-stick. We love avocado oil spray.
Okay.
So we're just going to spray it. Oh, I love
And then Tracey, I have a question.
Yeah.
If we can just let the viewers know really quick, what are the ingredients? Because
That would
there's
be a
only
good-
4.
That would be a good idea.
Yeah, and it's easy.
Okay.
Tell us.
What I do is for every can, yes, it is Campbell's cream of celery soup. For every can, it's 6 eggs.
Okay.
Okay. And so I've got 2 cans, 12 eggs, a dozen eggs.
Got it.
A tremendous amount of cheese. So have your Lipitor ready on top of it. And frozen vegetables. And honestly, I always use peas, carrots, corn, and string beans.
Okay.
But anything that you want to put in is up to you.
And so it's just 1 bag of these frozen vegetables.
Yeah, it all depends on how big and how deep the pan is. But I will say that the years that I thought, oh, I can get 12.5 eggs in because I was having so many people over, and a deep pan took forever to cook.
Okay.
So
to keep it
Right.
more in a 9 by 13, and if
Right.
you have overflow, get another pan, that's fine.
100%. I would do it, maybe not too thin because you do want that souffle.
Right.
You
want that
but
lift.
Yes. And I will say everyone's favorite thing to do with this is not only eat it at one of my parties, but they all take it home, and it's even better the days after.
So they can reheat. I love it.
100%.
I love it.
However you reheat, you reheat.
Okay.
It doesn't take very much. Speaking of heating, Yes, I'm going to put the oven at 425. If I knew how to use this oven, I would
It's my oven.
bake.
You got it. Yep.
Okay, and then 425.
Yes. Yeah.
And then enter.
And then just hit the enter button. But let's make sure there's nothing in here like
Right, like we did the last
breadproofing.
time.
Okay. And
We
wait,
find many things in here. It's the surprise oven.
Tracy, what
Yeah.
I love about today is that you're teaching me something. So I love
it's not
learning.
exactly cordon bleu, but it's tasty.
I love learning.
So,
Okay,
here,
what do you
let's
want me to
start
do?
Cracking the eggs
Yes,
literally in the pan. So
Okay.
I have just sprayed some avocado oil on the pan. I am opening the eggs. You know, I used to have a flock of chickens. You know that, right?
I love that.
Yes. So
That was in Nashville?
no, this
here?
was in Malibu. And eggs, if you don't wash them straight from the coop, they can last up to 6 months. Got me my own
That is so
spatula.
awesome.
Isn't that wild?
Yeah,
So,
I love knowing that.
and also, you know, the
Grew up on a
salmonella, by the way, which we're going to stop and wash our hands, is on the shelf. We have cracked 12 eggs now,
We have.
right? And so
We're rocking and rolling.
So each for 6 eggs, 1
Do I
can.
open this?
Yes, please open that. I've never had a sous chef. I've always been your sous chef.
I'm your sous chef,
Right.
girlfriend.
And then Christine got me my own tea spatula.
Yes.
So here, I'm just going to
Sorry,
put
my
it in here. Put the cream of celery soup.
So it's
which is
going
actually-
just right into the casserole
right. Now
dish.
you had asked earlier, do you need any extra salt, any extra pepper?
Yeah.
No, you do not. Probably because of the amount of salt.
Yeah, let's
that's
talk
in
about
this.
it.
Don't look. Don't look.
I didn't see anything. I have no idea.
I'm
Well, I do
telling
have an
you,
idea.
As the healthy chef,
Don't look.
this will be a no. And
Okay.
as the lazy chef, this is a go.
Yeah, you go, girl.
All right.
The one thing I want to say about healthy versus unhealthy, look, you guys, this is a Christmas. We're saying this is Christmas.
Just having fun.
This is Tracey's cheesy egg Christmas recipe, or you could do it for any holiday. But if you want to lighten it up, you can certainly do it with egg whites, and you could reduce the cheese to half the amount. That's going to slash calories by about half. She's saying don't do it. I'm just saying if you want to lighten it up,
do it.
it's an option.
And now I'm just going to use either the hand mixer or you'll use this immersion tool, which we found you have to touch in 2 different areas to get it to
so
work.
crazy, this tool. They have a safety on
So-
it now.
So I'm just mixing it. And as you can see, this is literally, I'm lifting and just getting it
I
together.
like it.
Yours is difficult. Mine is the cheap one from
And it
like
works
Target.
better.
And I've had it for 20 years. I'm not kidding you.
Can
All
I
right,
just
it's-
tell you,
we're
I've
cooking
had
grease
one
now.
for 20 years. It's in the other house.
Okay.
Because of the fires, everything got moved out, right?
That's true. All right. So now what I'm going to do is, I wish I could, we'll measure it out later.
Can we measure it out now? Can I
We're gonna
just,
measure it
I
out
can't
now.
help
But
it.
the problem is I don't know how much I'm going to put in there.
Tracy, okay,
This
I
is-
love you. Wait, just,
Okay.
can we just, is this the amount you want to use? I just
I
want to
don't
know.
It could be more. Do we
It's
know
the-
how much this is?
It's the administrative chef in me.
Okay,
Can we
here,
just really
let's-
quick, just
okay.
just for fun, just indulge me.
Okay.
I mean, you are with this recipe. Okay. Oh, look, I bet it's 4 cups.
Is it? Oops.
Yeah. Well, it
Even-
was
even-
until I spilled it like
even
a
the ones
complete
I shot out
dorkadoo.
of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay,
So-
guys. So for making it, it's 4 cups
But
of
wait,
shredded
we
cheese.
don't know yet. We don't know yet. It's
About.
4 cups-ish with a question mark. But we will have the exact amount very soon.
I love this.
So literally, I just put it, no,
You
we're
just
definitely going to
sprinkle.
use more. I hate to tell
I'll
you
get you
this.
more. I'm on it. I'm
Okay.
your sous chef. Let me
Okay,
tell
I
you.
love this.
I work fast. Look
So
at that.
now,
That's quick.
I've just covered it slightly.
All right.
And then I'm going to mix it together.
And she's just doing little circles.
And then I'm just doing little circles to mix it in. Okay.
You're a good chef, Tracy.
All right. Then we're taking the frozen vegetables. I mean, this
Okay.
could not be easier.
Oh,
And
it's
then-
great. It's so colorful. You guys are going to
Very
love this.
colorful. So then I'm just going to lightly mix it.
Okay.
So it's not like it has to be like a cake recipe. You just need to get it coated and down in there. And then I'm going to do the cheese crust.
Doing the cheese crust.
So around 45 minutes, I'm going to check to see how done the eggs are, because you have to leave room for the fact that the cheese will be kind of gooey, but you want to make sure that the eggs are cooked through. And it will be different in every oven.
So do you check with a toothpick?
Yeah,
Are you
I do
okay?
it with a fork. I just stick
Poke a
a fork
fork
in
in
so
there.
I can look in.
Okay.
And then for the last 10 minutes, I will take the aluminum off. So I am going to put the aluminum on. Now, I like to spray the aluminum.
Oh, so good. So smart.
I don't get, oh, hi. So I'll be cleaning that up later. Sorry.
I got that.
Did I get in your eye?
Now I'm teasing. It just was a big
Yeah,
puff.
it was a big puff.
That was great. If I needed more moisturizer, I've got the olive oil.
I'm going to put it underneath my eyes.
I like it. I like it. My grandmother did that, believe it or not. It's a very Italian thing. We'll talk about that later.
Okay. I like it. Okay.
So you just want it on here. You don't want it going over the sides. I see.
Or
I see.
you
You're
can
making a
do it-
tent.
Well, the thing is that it depends on your aluminum foil. It really doesn't matter. You don't have to be like precious about it looking perfect.
Do you want bigger foil? I've got more options.
No.
Okay.
As long as you're covering it, so
Okay.
it cooks and it doesn't burn.
Got it.
You know,
okay,
because
that's
at
your whole
At
point.
the very end, you really want this like really a beautiful brown color.
So do we
so
broil
it's-
for like the last minute? Maybe?
You shouldn't have to.
Okay.
You shouldn't have to.
I don't have an oven
trying to
mitt.
think.
Hold on, I don't have an oven mitt. We're a mess. Just,
But I'm
what
fine.
rack are
No,
you
I'm
going
just
to?
gonna, I actually am going to the top rack.
Don't
I've
burn
changed my
yourself.
mind.
I'm gonna get the oven mitts out. We're like really not prepared
Okay, here we go.
Okay. Do not burn yourself, honey.
I'm not gonna burn myself. Okay. There we go. Okay, and then we leave it alone. And we go have coffee. We're gonna check it in 45 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. I love this. This
How many-
like does everything.
You know, I love, how many blondes does it take to bake some eggs?
Okay, I put some red in here. Last night, in fact. Okay, so I'm gonna check to see how our egg dish is doing. This will be embarrassing if it's, okay, so as you can see, this is like 40 minutes in, and this is even with, I'm gonna say, okay, it's still liquid. See, it all depends on your oven. So I'm gonna say at least another 20 minutes.
Give it a peek.
Yes, absolutely. Do you
Oh,
see
it
how
looks
it's
good.
like
Yeah,
it's
you-
liquid?
You guys, you definitely need to put the tin foil on top or your cheese is gonna burn.
Yes. You don't want your cheese to burn.
No.
No.
We don't like burnt cheese.
Okay, so I'm gonna put the timer for another 20 minutes.
Okay. You know how to work
Okay.
it? She's learning how to use my kitchen.
we shall see. So set timer.
Yeah.
20.
You're good.
Okay.
And if not, Luca's here to assist.
Yeah, you're
Luca.
Are you gonna help? Oh, yes, you are.
He's like, I will help eat the cheesy eggs.
Yes.
I'm sneaking to see if Tracy's eggs, how they're doing. I know she said they're resting, but I'm gonna go check. Oh, well, yeah, you guys don't forget the cooking spray. Okay, so my guess is these are done, but we need to ask her because it's her recipe, so let's go find it. But I think they're done.
So I usually do buy the tin foil that's already, see, because then you get that. That's not attractive. If you buy the tin foil that already is that no stick, that doesn't happen.
Really?
Here, let me look at this. So good, close enough. So as you can see, this is the cheesy part, but the eggs are together now. They're not liquid. And so what I would do, because it's really browning in the back,
It looks
is
beautiful.
what I want to do is
Rotate,
do a
right?
little rotation.
I love
There
it.
we go. And then it's probably within 5 to 10 minutes. We've got eggs.
Really?
Yeah.
I feel like it looks good to me.
No.
I think I'm hungry.
You could be hungry. I usually time it so people have come into the house, they're there for a few minutes, and then I want to serve this hot, straight out of the oven.
Is that okay if I add a little parsley?
Yes,
Okay.
but believe me, it gets eaten up so fast,
It doesn't matter.
it doesn't matter. But
But
I know,
I can't help myself. Just a little green.
yeah, that makes all the difference.
I'm done.
Okay,
I'm sorry. I
I'll
clumped it.
I'll give you that. It does look cuter.
It does look cute.
Yeah. Do you want to try?
Should we cut this?
It's very hot, but
Okay.
it will cool down.
I think we would love to. Do we need a spatula? Or do we?
Yes, we
need
definitely
a knife
need a
and
spatula. Yeah.
Here's the knife, if you
Okay.
don't mind, and I will grab a spatula
So
if I
are
can find
you
one.
like I'm a corner girl? I'm a corner girl when it comes to brownies. I love the crust of any
Okay,
kind of
good.
bread.
I don't like
so
the corner, so this is great.
we're perfect
I don't.
together.
We are
Perfect.
We are. I don't like the corner. I don't like the crust. I like
Okay.
the middle.
Okay, perfect. As you
This
can see,
is
this is
beautiful.
It really cooked well all the way through. This is your piece.
Thank you. Love the corner one.
There you go.
Ooh,
I guess
yummy.
I could have
Tracy, look at that. I'm
made
so
a
excited.
bigger piece. Could have cut out a bigger piece. There There you go. I don't know. It's not the prettiest piece.
It is pretty.
It
And
was.
guys, you can lighten this up. Don't worry. You can always just use egg whites and you could reduce the cheese by half, even though Tracey is nodding her head no, and I know she is. I don't even have to look. I know what she's thinking. But you can do that. You can lighten it up too. But it's Christmas time, so
Yes.
enjoy. Make this for your friends and family. It really is amazing.
It's a perfect brunch
It
souffle as well.
It is, and it's so
easy. Oh my
Come
goodness,
on,
ready?
there was no chopping involved. I love it. Wow. All of Tracey's normal dietary guidelines are out the window, just like everybody for Christmas, right? So cheers. We want to wish you and your family the most beautiful Christmas.
Happy, healthy holiday.
Yeah, God bless you guys.
God bless.
Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.